up viewers, welcome on another episode of Big Style Cooking. I'm Chef Michael. Today I'm going to do a Jamaican steamed fish with coconut milk. Right here I have my coconut milk, I got my fish, my okra, my seasoning, my Chef Michael 12 herbs and spice. I got my bami right here and I have my skillet ready to go. So I'm gonna add my butter to my skillet. After I add my butter, I'm just gonna add all my seasoning to it. My garlic, my okra. Then I'm just gonna let this saute for a while. After this is saute, I'm gonna add my rich coconut cream to it